Nevada Irrigation District, or NID. If you live in Nevada County or some parts of Placer County, it's where your water comes from. NID supplies water for residential, commercial, and agricultural use, as well as providing lakes, streams, and rivers for boating, fishing, and recreational activities. Every time you wash your car, take a shower, water your lawn, go water skiing, or enjoy local produce, it is because NID is bringing water from lakes in higher elevations, such as Bowman Lake, down through an extensive system of canals, ditches, and rivers. Nevada Irrigation District is famous for utilizing over 400 miles of ditches that were originally used for supplying water to mines and miners, especially the hydraulic mining methods, which required large amounts of water under pressure. Did you know? NID was formed in Nevada County in 1921, but 5 years later expanded by 66,000 acres when residents of Placer County asked to join. About 25% of the district is located in Placer County. NID was formed to ensure that a year-round, reliable water supply system would be in place to meet current and future needs. When Placer County voted to join NID, it was to take advantage of the ability of NID to supply a needed demand.
All right, well, we're standing on the Van Giesen Dam. It's Combie Reservoir, built in 1927. It dams up the Bear River, originally built by Nevada Irrigation District to irrigate all the farmlands in Nevada and Placer County. And it's 94 feet tall, 800 feet across at the crest. Has a couple of hydroelectric plants on it. Downstream side of Combie Dam, the Bear River's down below us. This is the Combie Phase 1 canal, which takes water all the way down to lower part of Nevada County, crosses the Bear River and goes on down into Auburn and all the way down towards Lincoln. Branches off into many different canal systems.
NID now serves approximately 25,000 customers, and through constant monitoring and maintenance of its network, is able to supply water to homes, farms, and businesses, generate hydroelectric power, and provide recreation to the growing communities within Nevada and Placer counties. 3 out of 4 customers receive treated water service supplied by 7 treatment plants, generating approximately 3.5 billion gallons of water a year. NID treated water meets and exceeds standards set by the California Department of Health Services. The dam at French Reservoir, built in 1858 and 59, is the oldest in NID's mountain division. The Van Giesen Dam at Combie Reservoir is the oldest in the foothills, built in 1927. NID serves approximately 6,000 raw water customers, and the irrigation water is used for cattle and other livestock. It is used in golf courses, gardens, nurseries, orchards, and vineyards. Irrigation water fills ponds and reservoirs to stock water and provide recreation. The NID canal flows are carefully monitored and regulated to maintain proper flow. As NID water flows downhill through the foothills, it is used to produce clean hydroelectric energy through 7 power plants. These plants produce enough electricity to supply 60,000 homes. The electricity produced is sold to PG&E. NID began producing power in 1966 with the completion of the Yuba Bear River Power Project, and smaller power plants were added during the 1980s. NID has 7 power plants that generate enough electricity to supply the equivalent of more than 60,000 homes. NID has a generation capacity of 82.3 megawatts, produces an average 375 million kilowatt hours of energy each year, and sells its electrical output to the Pacific Gas and Electric Company.
This thing hosts, the reservoir here hosts several different groups of people. One is called Bill's Fishing Mission. They're here every year. It's kind of a charity thing. They're here for 3 or 4 days doing a fishing tournament. We also have the Western States 50 and 100 mile horse race. They access from both sides of the reservoir for their endurance horse race. And then a lot of camp groups. We have a main camping area in this lower campground here is for group camping, and it's utilized quite a bit. I've seen a lot of big groups up here using it. It's a really nice recreational reservoir.
NID's mountain and foothill reservoirs provide fun and healthy recreational opportunities, and they are an important economic attraction for the local tourism industry. Camping, fishing, swimming, boating, water skiing, sailing, and other activities are popular at Rawlins and Scotts Flat reservoirs.
We're here at one of our canals, and this is a typical water box irrigation outlet for one of our customers. And the box is designed just to hold a screen and a board in the middle, which is the measuring device where we measure the miner's inch. Now, the miner's inch is simply 1 square inch area. It can be a round hole or a square hole. This is 1 square inch of area with 6 inches of head pressure over it. And the water free falls through that orifice plate, and that meters 1 miner's inch equals 11 1/4 gallons per minute to the customer.